for my friends of faith, I have been teasing that something is coming, and it's now here. Today's the day that I can tell you about it. So I'm going to read to you. I know that's weird. Read to you an email that I sent out today because I think it says it most succinctly. You know, when you've eaten the same thing over and over and don't even realize you're tired of it until you try something new? Suddenly you're like, oh, wow, I forgot food could taste this good. Sometimes our time with God can feel that way too. Not bad or wrong, just familiar. That's why I'm excited to invite you to the Faith Journaling Collective Workshop from Faith Bundles. 20 women are opening the doors and sharing different ways that they personally connect with God. And I have a feeling you might discover something that you never would have thought to try. Things like prayer pockets, Psalms journaling, poetry, nature journaling, digital doodles, and more. This isn't about being artistic, although I like that part of it a lot. It's just about finding fresh ways to spend time with God and seeing what resonates with you. You can try things. No investment. It's free, right? Registration is free, and I'd love for you to join me. I do know that for my part, I have created an exclusive page in my nature journaling by faith sketchbook. And so you will be the only ones who get to see it during those 2 days. And I'm on the second day of the 2 days. So I hope you will come and join. There will be an opportunity to engage further with the instructors. So you'll hear more about that when the time comes. But for right now, just know that the event itself in July is a 2-day event and it's free. And I would love for you to come. It would be really fun to have you there and do some nature journaling with me. So leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll see if I can find out the answers because I don't know a lot of answers. I just have questions as well. But in the meantime, go get signed up. So I'll see you guys later. Links are all in the doobly doo. Bye bye.